What do a German performance car and a Parisian luxury house have in common? Or a US furniture giant and a South Korean tech titan? BMW times Louis Vuitton travel gear. Ashley times Samsung smart sofas. These aren't random mashups. They're strategic collisions, seismic brand partnerships that smash category boundaries, create consumer buzz, rewrite industry rules, and unlock explosive growth. Welcome to Brand Collaborations 2025, where joining forces is the ultimate business play. In the next 60 minutes, we'll explore how these brand alliances are redefining culture, commerce, and the very notion of what brands can achieve. Montage speeds up, product reveals, influencers showing off collabs, excited fans lining up, quick flash of data bars, plus 35% social buzz, plus 20% sales spikes. This is Biztales, where we dissect the stories shaping modern business. Grab your notebook, because today we're diving into why brand partnerships are the hottest growth strategy of the decade. Forget billboards, skip the Super Bowl spot. Today, two brands hit your feed with a shared product, and it breaks the internet. Why? Because consumers want more than a product. They crave stories, community, and culture. Brands that collaborate smartly shape those stories while opening entirely new markets. In today's video, we'll break down what makes a brand collaboration successful in 2025. Then we'll dive deep into BMW times Louis Vuitton, how they design smart luggage for modern travelers. Next, we analyze Ashley times Samsung smart furniture, and other surprising mashups you'll recognize. We'll reveal why brands are choosing partners over ads, innovation, access, authenticity. We'll cover the risks: overexposure, cultural mismatch, poorly executed rollouts. Finally, we'll outline a blueprint, how any brand, big or small, can create meaningful partnerships in 2025 and beyond. Ready to explore? Hit that like button and subscribe to Biztales. Let's get started with Chapter 1. It all began with simple co-branding, your logo featured on my product. But through the years, brand partnerships evolved from mere labels to joint ventures, co-designed products, and full storytelling ecosystems. The 1980s and 90s, endorsement deals and limited print partnerships. 2000s, tech crossed into retail, Apple in a BMW iDrive dashboard, IKEA co-branded furniture featuring Symantec antivirus. 2010s onward, disruptive rituals. Nike plus Off-White made sneakers into cultural currency. Supreme, Louis Vuitton blurred fashion worlds. By 2025, a marketing tsunami, brands are merging product development, tech, and storytelling in powerful collaborations. Spending on brand collabs has increased 300% since 2018 and is projected to surpass traditional media ad spend within the next 2 years. What can collaborations actually do for you? Expand your audience by tapping into another brand's customers and fan base. Create shared social impact, love, and exposure. Buzz grows exponentially. Lift brand perceptions with halo effect. Premium partners add prestige. Access innovation via shared tech, design processes, and supply networks. Stay culturally relevant by partnering with icons from music, gaming, streetwear, or tech, fields consumers care about. Research shows that 79% of customers are more likely to purchase a collab product than a standalone item. And sales? They're growing 1.8 times faster than single brand launches. At its best, a collaboration lives at the intersection of brand identity. Each partner must bring unique DNA. Category innovation. The collab should break category conventions. Cultural timing. The collab must arrive at the right moment. Pandemic travel or luxury streetwear, for example. Only when these three converge does a collaboration feel essential, not just opportunistic. In 2023, BMW and Louis Vuitton announced something unexpected: co-branded tech-enabled luggage. This wasn't a simple logo switch, it was a statement. Innovation through partnership that merges precision engineering and luxury craftsmanship. BMW brings precision engineering to the collaboration, while Louis Vuitton contributes their renowned craftsmanship and prestige. Together, they target airport travelers as their shared audience, including frequent flyers and VIP clients. The BMW LV luggage features built-in battery packs, GPS tracking, and custom-crafted interiors. These smart functionalities enhance the travel experience by integrating technology seamlessly into luxury design. Louis Vuitton's iconic monogram elegantly meets BMW's sleek aluminum accents, creating a unique blend of luxury and modern design. This fusion exemplifies how the designers merged aesthetic appeal with practical utility. The BMW x Louis Vuitton collaboration achieved impressive results, including a 50% faster sell-through rate compared to previous Louis Vuitton travel lines. This rapid sales performance underscores the market's positive reception. The product launch generated substantial social media buzz, with over 2 million Instagram mentions within the first 48 hours. This high level of engagement highlights the strong consumer interest and excitement around the smart luggage. Surveys of early buyers revealed that 70% of them expressed a willingness to purchase another BMW LV item. This strong customer satisfaction indicates a successful blend of both brands' strengths and appeals. The collaboration also positively impacted brand perceptions, with BMW experiencing increased perceived modernity and Louis Vuitton enhancing its image of tech savviness. Both brands benefited from the partnership by evolving their market presence. This partnership between BMW and Louis Vuitton demonstrates that thoughtfully executed collaborations can successfully reinvent brand perception without diluting each brand's heritage. It showcases how merging strengths can lead to innovative products and new market opportunities. Chapter 3. Ashley Samsung Smart Furniture. Creating Interactive Living Spaces, 32 to 46. Living room setups featuring Ashley couches with built-in Samsung screens, users controlling furniture with their phones. Scenes from furniture stores demoing smart sofas. Side shots of bread and butter, Ashley inventory, versus smart collab products. Narration. Meanwhile, Ashley Furniture went to the opposite end of the luxury spectrum, teaming up with Samsung to produce furniture that thinks. Section 3.1. Market Opportunity. 32-36. Smart home is booming. IDC predicts $212 billion market in 2025. Ashley sells to the mainstream clientele. Samsung brings smart tech DNA. Shared goals. Become the living room of the future. Section 3.2. Product Reveal and Features. 36 minutes to 40 minutes. Wi-Fi-enabled couches with touch panels, inbuilt speakers, charging ports. Animation cutaway to interior tech modules. Customer testimonial. It's like Netflix came built in. Section 3.3. Sales data and consumer feedback. 40 minutes to 46 minutes. 30% upsell rate in store. People paid 15 to 20% premium for features. 85% repurchase intent among tech-savvy buyers. Social media pickup drove foot traffic by 45% compared to typical launches. Takeaway. Ashley x Samsung is more than novelty. It's co-creation that aligns market trends, consumer convenience, and brand strengths to drive real business results. Chapter 4. The Collaboration Strategy Blueprint. 46 minutes to 56 minutes. Visuals. Infographics of successful collaboration workflows, flowcharts, brand identity, audience match, co-design, launch, animations of different collaboration types, product, campaign, platform, interviews or AI-generated quotes from marketing experts. Narration. Behind every viral partnership, whether it's BMW times Louis Vuitton or Ashley times Samsung, is a detailed strategy. Brand collaborations that work in 2025 aren't just creative, they're methodical. Here's how they're built. Section 4.1. Start with audience overlap, 46 minutes to 49 minutes. Brands ask, where do our customers intersect, and where do they dream? BMW and Louis Vuitton, affluent travelers. Ashley and Samsung, suburban tech adopters. Visuals. Overlapping Venn diagrams showing shared demographics, values, aesthetics. Successful collabs are rarely just aesthetic fits, they tap into shared aspirations. Section 4.2. Align brand DNA. 49 minutes to 51 minutes 30 seconds. Define each brand's identity pillars, e.g., innovation, heritage, simplicity. Use these to find collaborative tension or harmony. Avoid mismatched values, e.g., luxury times budget, with no shared story equals confusion. Example. Think of LEGO times IKEA. Playful meets practical. They didn't try to blend categories. They designed the story around creative living. Section 4.3. Build the co-creation funnel. 51:30 to 54, early. Ideation with shared R&D and marketing teams, exclusive drops, storytelling, user content, feedback loop. Leverage each platform. LV sells at flagship. BMW uses event marketing. Visual, a funnel that flows. Idea, prototype, co-branded story, launch, community activation, feedback. Section 4.4. Track what matters. 54 to 56 to an hour. Don't just chase impressions. Watch lift in. Brand perception, net promoter score, cross-audience acquisition, product sell-through velocity. Collaboration isn't just about making noise. It's about moving needles in brand power, in sales, and in culture. Chapter 4. The Collaboration Strategy Blueprint. 46 minutes to 56 minutes. Visuals. Infographics of successful collaboration workflows, flowcharts, brand identity, audience match, co-design, launch, animations of different collaboration types, product, campaign, platform, interviews or AI-generated quotes from marketing experts. Narration. Behind every viral partnership, whether it's BMW times Louis Vuitton or Ashley times Samsung, is a detailed strategy. Brand collaborations that work in 2025 aren't just creative, they're methodical. Here's how they're built. Section 4.1. Start with audience overlap. 46 minutes to 49 minutes. Brands ask, where do our customers intersect, and where do they dream? BMW and Louis Vuitton, affluent travelers. Ashley and Samsung, suburban tech adopters. Visuals. Overlapping Venn diagrams showing shared demographics, values, aesthetics. Successful collabs are rarely just aesthetic fits, they tap into shared aspirations. Section 4.2. Align brand DNA. 49 minutes to 51 minutes 30 seconds. Define each brand's identity pillars, e.g., innovation, heritage, simplicity. Use these to find collaborative tension or harmony. Avoid mismatched values, e.g., luxury times budget, with no shared story equals confusion. Example. Think of LEGO times IKEA. Playful meets practical. They didn't try to blend categories. They designed the story around creative living. Section 4.3. Build the co-creation funnel. 51:30 to 54, early. Ideation with shared R&D and marketing teams, exclusive drops, storytelling, user content, feedback loop. Leverage each platform. LV sells at flagship. BMW uses event marketing. Visual, a funnel that flows. Idea, prototype, co-branded story, launch, community activation, feedback. Section 4.4. Track what matters. 54 to 56 to an hour. Don't just chase impressions. Watch lift in. Brand perception, net promoter score, cross-audience acquisition, product sell-through velocity. Collaboration isn't just about making noise. It's about moving needles in brand power, in sales, and in culture. Chapter 5. Collaboration risks and final takeaways. 56 minutes to 60 minutes. Montage of failed or controversial brand collaborations with headlines like Pepsi times Kendall Jenner backlash and Adidas ends Yeezy deal. Charts showing dip in brand trust or public backlash timelines. Emotional brand recovery arcs, illustrating how brands attempt to rebuild trust after failed collaborations. Narration. When collaborations fail, they fail loud, and in today's hyperconnected world, even the biggest brands aren't immune. Oh, Section 5.1, The Biggest Risks, 56 minutes to 58 minutes. Introduction to the major risks involved in brand collaborations. Brand misalignment. When core values don't match, customers sense inauthenticity. Example, a fast food brand teaming up with a wellness influencer can backfire. 2. PR or social backlash. Pepsi times Kendall Jenner 2017 tried to comment on activism but missed the tone. Public saw it as co-opting real protest movements for profit. 3. Overexposure and fatigue. Brands that over-collaborate risk diluting their identity. Collaborations lose their excitement if they feel constant and desperate. 4. Operational failures. Delayed launches, poor inventory planning, or poor quality control can damage brand trust and reduce ROI. A poorly executed collab doesn't just lose money, it damages trust. Section 5.2. How smart brands mitigate that risk. 58 minutes to 59:30. Strategies to reduce risks in brand collaborations. Test before you scale. Soft launches, limited drops, beta audiences to ensure collaboration success before full-scale rollout. Real alignment. Ask, would we still partner with them even if no one saw it? Ensuring genuine values match between brands. Own the story. Control the messaging. Lean into transparency to maintain brand integrity during collaborations. Crisis plans. Prepare statements and action plans before launch to handle potential issues effectively. Top-tier partnerships aren't just creative, they're cautious, because trust is a brand's most valuable currency. Final takeaway and outro, 59:30 to 60 minutes. Montage of iconic collaborations, from LEGO times Adidas to McDonald's times Cactus Plant Flea Market. In 2025, the brands that win aren't the biggest. They're the most connected to audiences, to culture, and to each other. Whether it's through smart design, tech innovation, or shared values, collaboration is no longer optional. It's the future of business. Call to action. If you loved this deep dive, hit that subscribe button. Biztales breaks down the biggest business moves shaping our world, all in animated form. And let us know in the comments, which brand collaboration blew your mind recently?